Hello students, welcome to the new lecture of advertising and promotion. In previous class we talked about sales promotion. Definition of sales promotion was there. At the same time we talked about that why the importance of sales promotion is growing up. We discussed some internal factors as well as some external factors. Now today we are talking about the tools of sales promotion. What tools we are using for sales promotion, or what are the components of sales promotion which we are using for achieving the goal of sales promotion. So there are many more tools. Generally in first semester we are talking about that only discount is the tool of sales promotion, but here we are discussing some advanced tools of sales promotion. So here there is a list of sales promotion tools. Number one of which is discount and rebate. Number second, trade fairs and exhibition. Number third, premium offers. Number four, installment schemes. Number five, joint promotion. So now let's discuss them one by one. Discount and rebate. In my opinion, for the first time you are listening the name rebate. Rebate is also a type of discount, but it is formal type of discount. So what is meant by discount? When a company is selling a product on a lesser price than its original price, it is called discount. Let's suppose the price of this marker is 10 apes. So we are selling it on 7 apes or 6 apes or 9 apes, but lesser than the original price of its 10 apes, it is called discount. Now what is meant by rebate? Rebate is the formal structure of discount in which what the company is doing, the company is giving some forms or some data or database in which the customer is entering his biodata, information, contact number, and purchasing the product for the first time. The customer is filling the original price. Let's suppose 10 apes for this marker, but he is visiting the website or he is filling the hard copy of the form in which he is giving details of his biodata. The company is storing his detail. Then when he is coming for the next time, the company is repaying him the discount amount, let's suppose 3 apes. So this is called rebate. Originally rebate is also a type of discount, but it is structured in more formal shape of discount, in which the purpose of rebate is to collect the information and biodata of the consumers. Then we have got trade fairs and exhibition. Trade fairs and exhibition or expo, they are arranged on national basis, local basis, district basis, provincial basis, national basis, and international basis. You see, different educational expos are arranged in which companies are showing their information. Companies are giving information to the students about their fee structure, about the degree programs that they are offering. Gemstones. There are international trade fairs of gemstones in which people are coming from different countries. They are showing their gemstone pieces to the people. And some other trade fairs are also arranged at international level. Even sometimes they are arranging it at global level. So this is how they are promoting their products. They are promoting their sales, or they are conducting their sales promotion. Then we have got premium offers. Premium offer means that the companies are giving gifts to their customers, gifts and coupons, etc. to their customers, because customers are thinking an additional value of these gifts. Like once Suzuki company was offering a specific brand of sunglasses when you are purchasing a Suzuki car. So they are giving different gifts, different coupons to their customers is gifts when you are purchasing their product. This is how they are promoting their sales. Next is installment schemes. You have heard about it. Different companies are selling their cars on installments. For example, you are giving, let's suppose the price of car is 20 lakhs or 2 million, and you will have to offer to pay half a million, means 5 lakh down payment. That is called down payment, what you are giving on the spot. Then on monthly basis, quarterly basis, semi-annually, annual basis, you are paying your installments. So this is called installment schemes. Most oftenly it is offered by car companies, by property dealers or real estate business, like you are purchasing a plot, you are calling it Numra, and you are paying money in installments. Or nowadays even computer companies, they are also offering different installment schemes, especially for students or other professional peoples. So this is also a tool of sales promotion. Then we have got joint promotions. Two different organizations are involved in joint promotion schemes of sales promotion, and it is used as a tool of sales promotion. I am giving you an example. Let's suppose there is a laptop company and there is a bank. The bank is giving loan to the students so that they can purchase a specific brand of laptop. So it is a joint promotion scheme for bank as well as for laptop company. Or sometimes banks or other financial institutions are paying student fees as a loan to students to get admission in specific university. So their specific university and bank, they are involved in joint promotion. So these are different tools which we are using for sales promotion. First, students were thinking that there is only discount is a sale promotion. No, there is discount and rebate, there is trade fair and exhibition, there is premium offers, there is installment scheme, and there is joint promotions of sales promotion. So these are different tools which we are using for sales promotion. These tools are motivating and attracting the customers. Some companies are offering, some companies are showing these tools of sales promotions is corporate social responsibility, CSR. According to the concept of CSR, corporate social responsibility, that company must provide some extra benefit to the society so that it can give long-term benefit to the people of that society. Actually, they are representing themselves that we are involved in corporate social responsibility with the help of these tools, but in reality these tools are used as the tools of sales promotion. So this was our today lecture. Thank you very much, students. Be with me for coming classes. Stay at your homes. Be safe. Khuda Hafiz.